Say, we're at Canada Science and Technology Museum. Am I right, Boxxo? Congratulations! Okay, let's go.
So this is why Canada Science and Technology Museum was really good projection screen over here.
Now, we're just gonna have to say we had to go to steam locomotives.
Steam locomotives? That sounds like fun.
Say, do you ever see something in that hole over there? Looks really colorish red, isn't it? Now for the next one. This steam locomotive is really good. I like it. It might fit me way better. Yay, we're going down, we're going down.
Why is she kind of really excited for?
Is it a long nose for you? Sorry. Good.
What am I gonna say? I feel like say no, it's not really not a lot of noises, but it's really quiet in there.
I'm moving turbo. Sorry. What was that? Was it, I'm moving locomotives to you? That looks like a machine? Congratulations! Oh, okay. Good for that. It was really a locomotive. Hey, look! I'm riding a bicycle. Look like I'm in a race. Yee!
She's really too fast, isn't she?
This looking house is really good looking house.
What am I gonna fit in there? I don't have to fit in there.
Say, that looks really good rock climbing. Ever since the kids was rock climbing, I really like it.
No, I feel like I'm really lost to heights around here. I'm afraid of them. You're building blocks, isn't she?
Time's on the go. Wee, 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 wee.
Okay, that's a kid's work.
It says do not enter. Why can we not enter? It says do not enter because they're having a refurbishment? Sorry. Okay, that's good. Now we're at the Nature Museum. Is it really good dinosaur over here? It looks really big and huge.
Hey, that's a T-Rex over here. He has a big mouth over here. Raw. Ooh, a longhorn Chasmosaurus. I like it.
Boxo? He has a daydream. The mammals are really good. Oh, I can see down here.
Hello, rhinoceros. I don't know what to say, but you have double horns in there.
Mammal gathers are good.
Hello, polar bear.
Foxes. Oh, look at beaver.
The beaver's like all on wood, isn't it?
This looks really cool. A grizzly bear. That's really huge with a tiny mouse on it. Hee hee.
Hey, look, I can see me. Hey, looks like I've been seeing a mirror. Is this some G measure thing?
That bison's really protecting the wolves, isn't they? Ah, that's a muskox with a wolf on it. A reindeer or caribou? I should call it caribou, alright? It's a Canadian name for reindeer. Skunk porcupine? The little squirrel? So cute! That moose is really big. Pronghorns? Ooh, mountain goat. I like it. What's it? Arctic hare doing the poop? Ooh, cougar. I like it. This water gallery is so much of a giant whale, isn't it?
Hello, Gyrail, you look skeleton.
Boxxo's daydreaming or something. This big tail is really long, isn't it? Ooh, I love these small animals like frogs. This fish here looks cute.
Okay, what am I talking about?
Now we can see those bird galleries and those animal bugs alive. Cute little rhinoceros beetle. Really big, isn't he? I caught one since then.
Maybe one day we'll catch some rhino beetles.
And a little hawk, a growing bird. The mountain bird in Ottawa, Alberta.
What is she talking about?
I can see all the birds around here. They're really on the glass and they will not move anything.
So, that was the bird gallery. And you see those beautiful birds.
That earth is really going to be a projection screen, I see.
What is she talking about anyway? She talking about Earth?
We land on our earth from another world, isn't it? Okay. Ah, I see the mirror.
Okay. I believe she's gonna fall off on me if I'm a vending machine like this.
Now, what's going to happen? Northern Arctic Gallery. Is it giant earth over here? I like it. This was really good. I love this ice. It's really projection-y and really cold.
You're talking about cold stuff right now.
This Arctic hare is really small. Ooh, a biggest little polar bear. Caribou? And also this.
Well, that's pretty much it.
The caiman's really small. Look, a gecko. A turtle. A two-toed sloth.
A two-toed sloth was a really animal. Ah, I feel like needed something to drink.
Boxxo? What's this? Is it a water bottle? I can save that for later. Let's continue our journey, okay? It's the biggest moon I ever saw.
The biggest moon? I never knew that.
It's a really big moon. I have seen it before.
Okay, now what?
Well, looks like we end our journey.
Well, that was easy.
Okay, let's go back to another world, okay?
But how we get to another world? Because I'm in another world like this. Because we came to Earth for nothing. What's she doing?
Boxxo, can you do something?
Barrier. Nope. What's my skill? Oh, so I have to use another teleportation to back to another world. Okay. Well, teleportation.
What? Boxxo? I'm back in another world. Thank you so much, Boxxo. Congratulations.
No, I got my teleportation to back to another world, and she had her hometown, the village. That's all.